two things as we begin here. Number one, this was one of the weirdest prep videos where I have things, right? If it's a review, I gotta have the oil or a comb and whatever it may be. This one, I had to make sure I had a shedded, I don't even know if this will show, but I had to make sure I had a shedded beard hair ready to go. I will explain, I promise. If you really want to do the test, you will need one as well. Check your sink, check your shower. Those are usually the best ways. And number two, I think people really have to understand, and this is with pride. I love this. There's not a day that goes by where I don't have at least one or two guys that reach out about their beard being damaged or in a bad place and then not knowing what to do and reaching out to me to fix it. That is an absolute, actual daily occurrence, and it's such a loaded topic. The things that could be bad for a beard, unbelievable spectrum from internal health, right? Are you more stressed? How's your diet? How's your exercise? Are you dehydrated? Were you out on vacation in the sun and salt water and chlorine? Are you using low quality products? Do you have a cheap comb? Are you not going with a good routine? There's so many things that could be the difference of why your beard is being harmed. And unless you really know your own situation, it's impossible to know what's going on. I had a buddy of mine, longtime subscriber that I was having a conversation with. He's like, have you ever done this test or thought about this? And it kind of seems like a perfect video. So shout out to all of you guys out there that give me ideas. I try to use them. If it can help the community, I'm in. Let's do it. So with today's video, real quick, if you're excited, all the YouTube stuff, please hit the thumbs up, hype the video. Are you subscribed? Did you share it? Is the bell on? Notifications? And then all notifications? I do live streams. That'll tell you when I'm live. Come on, baby. Thank you guys. You're the best. A test to understand how easy it is to damage beard hairs. Because I don't think guys really think about it. We're worried about making enough money to pay the bills, to support our family. Did we do everything we could to make sure our wife feels special? What about spending time with the kids? What about that project at home? Oh my gosh, I gotta get an oil change. We have all this stuff going on in our minds that sometimes these things slip, as they should if we're prioritizing what really matters in life. And guys get damaged beards. They don't like the result. They want to fix the problem, but they don't realize they are the problem. They don't realize they are doing things to their beard that's absolutely damaging and killing their beard, and they just don't understand. Most commonly, a cause of damage to the beard is your own hands, right? I've got some good calluses, yard work, working out at the gym, just doing life stuff, right? If you are constantly going over your beard and you have little shreds of skin, little sharp shards of callus, you're damaging your beard. Dan, stop it. You're damaging your beard. If you have long fingernails, if you have nasty, jagged fingernails, you are damaging your beard, whether you realize it or not. Dan, I'm so careful. No. You touch your beard without realizing it. You scratch your face without realizing it. You are damaging your beard. And I could go on and on about that. Do you have a cheap comb? Dan, what's the difference? I'm not going to pay $12 for a comb when I can get 3 for $1. There's layers to this. There's levels to this. Here's the test. Get a shedded beard hair, especially a dry one. When it is wet and fully hydrated with water and saturated with fresh water, it's much more malleable. It's much more elastic and it can kind of move. Get a dried out hair. You should have 2 ends. One end, you should feel and or see a bulb. You should see a little white thing at the end. If so, that was a healthy shed. Good job. It ran its course. It lived its life. It's good. If there's a bulb and it's dark, that hair came out prematurely. You pulled it out before it was ready to go. And if there's no bulb, then you have breakage. That's a real problem. Search Dan C. Bearded breakage. This video cannot even begin to address that. What I want you to do is grab it on the end where the bulb is. And then just kind of stretch it out. Yeah, I got a long beard, guys, so I got long beard hair here. And there's 3 different things that I want you to do. I would like for you to pull the hair. I would like for you to twist the hair. and then take a fingernail and run it down the hair. Now, you might damage it on any and all of those, so you might need multiple hairs, but just pull that hair to the point where it will break. You're going to likely be surprised at how easy it is to break that hair. Now, think about when you're touching your beard. Think about your jacket. Think about your job. Think about your life. Those things can happen to the beard. So I broke that one, but I still have the segment left. Now try twisting it. Just going back and forth, just kind of balling that hair up on your finger, and just see how easy it is to get like a crooked, jagged, corkscrew mess that could cause knots, that could cause tangles. Like, oh, wow. If you're sitting there driving and you're twisting your hair, you are absolutely damaging it. And then run a fingernail. I don't really keep fingernails long at all, but run a fingernail down it and see what kind of damage that feels like you're doing. Now imagine it as a callus. Imagine it as a long fingernail, a sharp fingernail, absolutely damaging your beard. This is a really good test just for your mental state to understand how easy it is to damage hair. Because most times guys just want direct answers. They really want me to be like, buy this product and it's solved. Unfortunately, that would not be honest of me. Unfortunately, that's not the best path to getting a better beard. I wish it was. Trust me, I wish it was. Now, do quality products matter? Yes. From the bottom of my heart, they matter. But that's likely not going to solve beard damage. It's usually internal health, or externally, you're acting upon those hairs. You're touching them, you're picking them, you're twisting them. Life is occurring on them. And above all this test does is put it on mind. Makes you aware of what you're doing and how you're damaging it, so you don't have to have the ignorance is bliss. We're like, I don't know, man, I've tried everything. I don't know why my beard's being damaged. There you go. So down below, you guys, any questions on beard damage? Did you try the test? What did you experience? Did you learn something? Is this something where it's already on your mind and you're way too really dialed in on it and it becomes stressful? I don't want that. I just want you guys to understand your beard. And this is a great tool to add to the toolbox of understanding. Thank you guys for watching today. Dan C. Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.